It is turning your big ideas into reality. With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing a perfect domain, building a style website, and launching your brand to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. First of all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into the GoDaddy.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services, founded in 1997. It is one of the largest domain registrars in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products, including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So let's come back to the top. If you want to get started, you have just to click over here. We have create your own website. You click over start for free and you will find this page. Here we have your free website. Is only the first step. Create a mobile friendly website for your business for free and witness the growth of your business through integrated marketing. So you click over start for free, but if you scroll down you'll find here how to create a free website. First of all, choose a template to start building your site for or free shop. You have here add your content, your products, and the contact details of the enterprise to take ownership of the site. Then we have the third step, which is use integrated marketing to let people know you are up and running. Then we have the fourth step, which is you can manage everything on in device from a single dashboard, reviews, orders, social media also. Then the last step, which is step by premium features according to your needs, add-ons you for your shop, referencing CO here, appointments also. So if you click over start for free, you will find this page. Here we have it, create account. Already have an account, you can just click over login and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with GoDaddy and you find your account. But if you don't, you have just to sign up by using these options, which is Facebook, or using Google. Also you can also use other option, which is email. So you can just click over the one you want and you write your personal information and then you click over get started. So then you will find this page, what features that you does your website need. For example, sell with an online store, make appointments online, or something else. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find this very well. What kind of website you want. We use this information to recommend photos and content to you. Here we have find the category that suits you best. Like here we have hairdress and hairdresser, and we have here spa, photograph, or you have here nothing. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find this question: what name should we give to a website? This will be the name of your project. If you change your avis, you can always update it. So we have your Visa shop and then you click over continue. Once you click over continue, you will find the home page as you can see. So in the home page we have here various things. So I will show you how you can get started with GoDaddy. But before I will show you the options that we have here, we have a premium, website, marketing, appointments. Then we have here also the dashboard and domain name here. Can just find a new domain area. Then we have the domain name here, website also, and we have the website. You have next steps to begin. You have just to make sure your contact information is up to date, review your about section, and your logo to create one to strengthen your brand image, upload images to use on your site, and use Facebook images on your site. Then we have here improve your site, grow your audience, explore some new tools also. Then we have here also email, manage the email users. We have their accounts available by other products. Here we have quite a professional email address for your domain, built trust by using an email address that matches your domain. Then we have value your brand every time you send an email. Then we have set up custom emails for your business. For example, support via shop.godaddysite.com. You can just buy it right now. Then we have also other options like shop, such as presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters. Then we have the appointments like presentation, calendar, services, categories, clients, team parameters. Then we have also social like presentation, informations, marketing. Also here we have presentation, referencing, marketing by email, and we have blog content creator. And the last option we have clients. For example, we have everything, automatizations, forms to register registration, and we have parameters. So I will show you how you can get started. So after sign up for GoDaddy, you can just start by logging into your account. Use the search bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore the hosting options and choose one that fits your needs, like shared, VPS, or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience, or upload your existing site files. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account for renewal reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So this is how you can get started with GoDaddy.com. You can just read this information. Here we have all various things and various options. Like we have website here, we have the steps that you have to follow to get started. Then you have your email. You have just if you want to buy this, you can just click on buy now. Then we have your email here, and also we have shop like presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters, appointments. You can just click over the one you want to know. If you are interested in appointments, we have like calendars or categories, clients, themes, parameters, and also if you're interested in social media, presentation, information, we have marketing, also reference and marketing by email, and we have clients like automatizations, forms to register, and we have everything also. So this is how it works with GoDaddy, and let's say in the website. And also if you want to know more information about how it works with GoDaddy, you can just go to homepage, review what is the priority of your company. Here we have it. Find your domain, search domain, and comments. And then we have grow your brand with website plus marketing. We have it go quickly online, no design, establish your credibility with an email. You have used some marketing tools. As you can see, you have here some frequently questions. You can just click over, for example, this one to get your question: how does GoDaddy help small business owners? And that's it. So GoDaddy services as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence with its wide array of services, including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools. GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site, GoDaddy equips you with the tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.